Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to VSP Law channel. You are watching VSP Law channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Today topic is that divorce. So what is the meaning of divorce? How to get the divorce? What are the procedure are there? What steps is needed to materialize the divorce? So before going to topic friends, you know very well about the VSP Law channel. VSP Law channel is bringing the new topics and regarding law subjects and make the students as a brilliant. I hope you will get success in your career. As a beginner, you learn more from these videos. Please like, share, subscribe and forward to your friends. So come to the topic friends. Divorce. What is the meaning of divorce? Divorce means dissolution of the marriage by the court of law. It's called a divorce. So, means a married, wedded couple, their marriage was dissolved by the court of law. It means wife and husband divided. They are living separately as an individually after getting the divorce. So in India, we have the religions. India is a secular country. Hindus, Muslims, Persians and Christians. Hindus have the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. And Muslims, here is the dissolution of Muslims Marriage Act 1939 and Persians Marriage and Divorce Act 1936 and Christians Indian Divorce Act 1869. These are the acts available for their religions. Hindus follow the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. So today we are going to discuss the dissolution of the Hindu marriage. It means divorce. So here is that some points should be discussed before going to divorce. If any marriage solemnized by the as per Hindu customs, the marriage treated as a solemnized marriage and it is a traditionally marriage and arranged marriage as per Hindu customs. Husband and wife become a legally wedded couple. It means they have the rights to their life under a bandage of marriage. Both husband and wife discharge their responsibility as per their tradition and law. If any disputes arise between the husband and wife, they have the remedy and they have the option to divide, separate themselves by applying the divorce petition. So that the most important point is that the 1 year must be completed after marriage. They live together. 1 year is needed. After 1 year, if they want live separately, means they are not living together. They are not interested to live together. They have the option to file a petition for divorce. So, under two categories, under two types, we are getting the divorce. Then the first type is that mutual divorce. The second is that contested divorce. Contested divorce. So, mutual divorce. First of all, mutual divorce. Section 13 subclass 1 and subclass B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 deals with the mutual divorce. As per this act, after completion of one year of the marriage life, Hindu couples, either husband or wife, mutually agreed, mutually given the consent for separate themselves. Then that purpose they are filing the mutual divorce. It means both parties, husband and wife, giving their consent. They are agreeing to live separately. We don't want to live together. That purpose they are moving the petition for mutual divorce under section 13 subclass 1 subclass B of the Hindu Marriage Act. Then they have to wait 6 months period, friends. Even after 6 months, they are not interested to continue their marriage life as a husband and wife. They have a chance to separate themselves. The court will, on available merits, give the mutual divorce. Once mutual divorce is granted, they live separately. After getting mutual divorce, they have their rights, own rights. Means husband can remarry or wife can remarry after getting the divorce only by the court of law under mutual divorce. Come to the second type, friends. So in first type mutual divorce, there is a petition and court fees. This will be come in second part. It means second category. The same way we have to file the petition. So in second category, come to the second category, contested divorce. Means here is a wife can approach the court for divorce, either wife or husband. If husband approach the court, the Hindu husband section, here is the ground also there. Before going to that, we have to see the grounds. Section 13 surplus 1 of the Hindu Marriage Act, some grounds are prescribed by the law under which we have to get the divorce. In which some grounds are there. The first ground is adultery. Adultery is that illegal relations. And second is that desertion. Means without consent knowledge person, either husband or wife, not appearing more than 7 years. And next is the cruelty. Cruelty means harassment. So physically or mentally, whatever it may, harassments, cruelty. So next one, insanity. Insanity means child behaviors. And venereal disease and leprosy, some diseases and health problems. So that under this ground, then either male or female, either husband or wife can get the divorce from the court of law. So major ground is the only cruelty. So now we are discussing the divorce under the ground of the cruelty. Under ground of the cruelty, husband or male, section 13 subclass 1 subclass 1A of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 can move the petition for divorce against his wife. So the same way wife also move the petition under section 13 subclass 1 subclass 1A subclass 1B of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. So remember, 1 year must be completed condition. After that they can move the petition for divorce. And here is the petition of the pro forma of the petition is that the same way, civil procedure same like that, same. Here is the court name, place of the court, number of the case, and cause title means petitioner name and respond name and provision, and then next after description of the petitioner means petitioner name, son name, age, if it is a female, wife of the, and father must be mentioned, father name, advocate name, and next one respondent details description, same name of the and son of the and age, etc. After that, brief fact of the case. Here is the paragraph. Why? First of all, introduction about the marriage, whether their marriage is a arranged marriage or love marriage, what about were their marriage life, how many children are there, and next paragraph, the dispute, how the disputes arise, when it is arise, whether it is have evidence, or what is the ground, whether it is attracting the ground of cruelty or not, which ground it is attracting, that must be mentioned with proof of evidence, and after that, cause of action. Here is that one point is, remember, in diverse cases, the point must be mentioned, no collusion between the parties to file this petition. Remember, this must be mentioned. And court fees, jurisdiction point of view, last what they living, where they are living, means place of living lastly. And it comes to the civil courts, and if the party is one place and another party is another place, if they come to the family courts, jurisdiction will be decided by the court on the living status. And after that, prayer, pay the court fees and prayer. Here is the prayer asking the decree for dissolution of the marriage and other reliefs, and a petition signature and a verification by the petitioner, and list of documents, advocate signature. After that, process from here, the notice should be given to the other parties. Here means respondents. Attach the notice process form, RPs and wakalat. After filing, it is concerned court. After numbering that, then notice will be dispatched. After receiving the notice, the respondent will approach the court by a engaged advocate and give the reply. If it is not interested, he can contest the matter. If it is interested, he can make the silence. So that here is that this is the contest decree. In court trial, after that, trial will be started. Petitioner evidence, lead the petitioner evidence, means petitioner will produce the evidence, and respondent evidence. After closing the evidence, both sides call for arguments from the both sides. After hearing the arguments, there is the delivery of judgments, whether the petition is allowed or dismissed. If allowed is, other party have the chance for appeal. If it is dismissed, party petitioner has the right to prefer appeal. So that in this divorce petition, you have to, list of document must be photo, marriage photos and videos and Aadhaar cards and any proof of evidence, remaining documents, and like any chattings or what, any cruelty related evidence. And remember, parties' photos must be affixed on the petitioner. And this is the petition for the divorce for the Hindus. So once getting the divorce, wife have the right to get remarry. The same way husband have the right to get remarry. Their marriage was dissolved, cancelled by the court of law as per law. This is the divorce petition. So that in India we have this option for the Hindus. I hope you will get satisfied. If you satisfied, then you will give the like and share, subscribe, and please forward to the social media. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you one and all.